I have one of these here. Now one thing you could do is go to your calculator, type it in, and look at your table to get these answers, but I kind of did a teacher mode thing here. I found the slope, because a lot of these questions, when you have a table, you're probably going to have to find a slope at some point. And the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The change in y's over the change in x's. You've heard rise over run. Y is always, always on top. So what you want to remember is this here. So I went over here to this first table, and I took this 7.5 here and made that the y2. And now I'm going to minus the y1, which will be that 5 right there. And because I chose this point here to start with, I have to go to that one. And then I'm going to minus the x right there. And then I just kind of like 7.5 minus 5 is 2.5, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. So what that means is I have to have a slope of 1.25. A has a slope of 1.25 in it. B does not. That says that y-intercept's 1.25, not the slope, so it's not B. I also know it's not C. So it has to be A or D. Now, I can go over here, and I think I did because I'm a teacher, and I found the slope of this second line. I did this one a little faster, but that 4 minus that 7, and then negative 2 here, x, minus that negative 3, and it gave me a slope of negative 3, which wasn't much help because look, all the slopes were what? Negative 3. So what I really have to find is the y-intercept. Now I think I chose to do the y-intercept on this one because this one over here probably has fractions in it. So what I did was, if y equals mx plus b, I'm going to pick this 7 right here, that 7 right there as the y. My m is this negative 3 I got right here. The x, because I chose that 7, I have to use this x right here, that negative 3, as the x to find the b. I know 3 of the numbers, I can plug those in to find the 4th one. That's super easy. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So 7 equals 9 plus b, minus 9 from each side like you're solving to get the b by itself. You got to undo it. So negative 2 equals b, which means my answer then is D. Okay, I guess we have extra there. Because the y-intercept was right there. Woo, doggies.